Bison Lodge Interpretation Center and a museum. It is situated in the heart of the town, at a distance of 2 km from Pachmarhi Bus Station. Bison Lodge used to be the residence of Britishman Captain Forsyth, who came across the Pachmari in 1857. The Bison Lodge has life-size replicas of animals and plants that give you an insight into the history of Pachmari and surrounding area as well as the wildlife. In this museum, we get information about various plants and trees found in Pachmari and nearby forest, and various birds found in dense forest, Pachmari and near about area. Some portraits and pictures showing culture, people's lifestyle from ancient Pachmari and MP also. Stones found in Pachmari and their names and types. Satpura Tiger Reserve is a main attraction of MP tourism. Like this creativity showing activity in dense forest. Great and very beautiful photos stored in this museum that showing how beautiful Pachmari. Also various arts and crafts which is made by Adivasi and ancient peoples stored in this museum. Some pictures showing in this museum that what visitors can explore in Pachmari and near about area. Thank you for watching this video and stay connected with my channel and subscribe for seeing another videos from Pachmari.